to Seed to Life. Today in this video we are going to talk about one very important and concerning topic, that is the mystery seeds or unsolicited seeds. Over these past couple of days I have been hearing a lot about people receiving some unsolicited mystery seeds in their mail. A similar incident happened with me and I'm going to share my experience with you today. I always try to get good quality organic seeds from known sources, but most of the seeds were out of stock that time. Also, we were afraid to go to the nurseries to get seeds because it was a non-essential trip, and we are still following the quarantine precautions. I ordered multiple seeds online that time, and the delivery started coming in. But some of the seeds, they were supposed to come in like couple of weeks, but they just never came. I kept waiting and then I forgot about it. Then one day I received a tiny light grey colored packet in mail. It had these tiny black colored seeds in it. The label on the envelope was not in English. It appeared like Chinese characters. I wiped it off with a disinfectant wipe and most of the letters became unreadable. Inside there was a tiny seed packet saying curry seeds. I had ordered curry leaf plant seeds, so I assumed that it is the same package, but the seeds were so tiny that I knew they were not curry leaf plant seeds. I contacted the seller about my experience. The seller refunded my money, but he kept insisting to change my review from bad to good. I was not even sure if he was the same person who sent me those seeds, but saw some other reviews complaining about the same thing. So I didn't change my review. Eventually, I threw the seeds out, and 1 month later, I again received another new seed packet. These seeds were a little bit bigger, more like cucumber seeds. I had ordered Space Master cucumber seeds from Amazon that were delayed. So even though the seed packet was not labeled as cucumber seeds, again I thought that maybe they are the cucumber seeds. This space seed packet came with a plastic thing that I don't recognize. If you know anything about it, please let me know. Then just couple of days back I started seeing in the news and on social media these posts about the mystery seeds or unsolicited seeds. When I saw the news first time, there were 33 US states warning about these mystery seeds, but gradually that warning, like all 50 states are now have issued a warning about these seeds. Not just in the US, but I see in the news that there are many other countries that are receiving such mystery seeds or unsolicited seeds. Now, why is it so scary to get these mystery seeds? It is possible that my personal information is leaked and I'm getting these items that I haven't ordered for, and also somebody is posting reviews on behalf of me. This is a type of scam. It is called as brushing scam, and that is one of the possibilities that the officials are suspecting. These mystery seeds could be the seeds of some invasive weeds or some other invasive species that could affect the local crops adversely. So all countries, they try to protect their own crops. Now let's see what to do if we receive such seeds. I am going to report these seeds to USDA APHIS in my state. I will report it to either state regulatory official or state plant health directors in my area. You can find these links in description, or you can search for USDA APHIS in Google. I hope you find this information useful. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel Seed to Life for more videos and updates. Click on the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. Thank you again. See you soon.